our planet is home to one of the most mysterious and deepest places, the Mariana Trench. You've probably heard of it before, as we were taught in school that Mount Everest is the highest point on Earth, while the Mariana Trench is the deepest. However, for most people, that's where their knowledge ends. What lurks in this abyss? What creatures inhabit it? These questions rarely spark curiosity, but you have no idea what secrets this place holds. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean, near the Mariana Islands, which is where it gets its name. It is a massive V-shaped trench stretching about 1,500 kilometers, 930 miles long, and plunging over 11,000 meters, 36,000 feet deep. To put that into perspective, if Mount Everest were placed inside the trench, its peak would still be more than a kilometer underwater. For a long time, scientists believed that life couldn't exist at such extreme depths. But in 1958, the Soviet research vessel Vityaz proved otherwise. Scientists discovered that even at a depth of 7,000 meters, 23,000 feet, living organisms thrived. Over time, research confirmed that the Mariana Trench is not only inhabited, but also conceals extraordinary creatures. In addition to bacteria, mollusks, and invertebrates, the trench is home to mysterious giants unknown to science. In 1960, Swiss explorer Jacques Piccard, along with his companion, became the first to reach the bottom of the trench in the bathyscaphe Trieste. They descended nearly 11,000 meters, 36,000 feet, and spent only 20 minutes at the bottom. But that was enough to confirm there is life even at these depths. The pressure at this depth is 1,100 times greater than at the surface, about 3 tons per square centimeter, enough to crush metal. Yet, local fish and mollusks have perfectly adapted to these extreme conditions. However, this descent not only brought incredible discoveries, but also unsettling mysteries. Years later, declassified records from Piccard's logbook revealed something terrifying. One entry described a strange object that accompanied the bathyscaphe during its descent. The crew observed a large, disc-shaped object maneuvering around them, almost as if it was watching them. After a few minutes, it vanished without a trace, leaving more questions than answers. Could it have been an undiscovered deep-sea creature, or even a hidden underwater civilization? But this is far from the only mystery of the trench. In 1985, the American vessel Glamor Challenger sent a 9-meter-long, 30-feet research probe called Hedgehog to explore the depths. Soon after, the probe detected strange noises, and its steel cables suddenly tightened, as if something enormous had grabbed it. Scientists attempted to retrieve the probe, but for over 3 hours, an unseen force held it down. When they finally managed to pull it back up, the team was shocked. The probe's metal hull was covered in bite marks, and its steel cables were torn apart. The official explanation claimed that the probe had been caught on underwater rocks, but the crew was convinced something massive and unbelievably powerful lurked 11 kilometers, 36,000 feet below. Moreover, the area of the investigation had no obstacles or structures that could have trapped the probe. Later, marine biologists put forward a sensational hypothesis. The damage could have only been caused by giant ancient creatures. Some believe it could be a megalodon, a prehistoric shark over 20 meters, 65 feet long, and weighing 50 tons, thought to have gone extinct 1.5 million years ago. But what if this predator never fully disappeared and instead found refuge in the depths of the Mariana Trench? This theory gained further support when a massive tooth, the size of a human hand, was discovered near the trench. Analysis confirmed that it belonged to a megalodon. A few years later, a Japanese cargo ship passing over the trench suddenly experienced a powerful impact on its hull, despite calm waters and no visible obstacles. But the mysteries don't stop there. In a recent expedition, scientists discovered a bizarre jellyfish resembling an alien creature. Its body glowed with red and yellow light, and it had 2 sets of motionless tentacles, suggesting predatory behavior. This creature was found at 3,700 meters, 12,000 feet, in a mysterious part of the trench known as the Enigma Peaks. Could it be that humanity is searching for alien life in the wrong place? While astronomers focus on distant stars, mysterious life forms may be hiding right beneath our feet, in the depths of our own oceans. The deep sea remains far less explored than space, which means even greater discoveries may await us in the future.